Hey Cadillac fans, Daniel here, director of the Northern California chapter of the Cadillac V Club. We have local and regional chapters all over the country. I'm sure there's one near you. Be sure to check us out at CadillacVClub.com. Now, the V Club has been encouraging V Series owners to take their cars to the track, and I'm not talking about the drag strip. We know the V Series cars have great straight line performance thanks to big horsepower engines, but they also have big brakes and great suspension. They were engineered to be on a road course, and we want all V Series enthusiasts to experience what these cars can really do. So the V Club has set up 5 HPDE, that's high performance driver education days across the country. We already had one up at Ridge Motorsports Park in Seattle-Tacoma area. And in this video, I'm covering the Southwest region's Buttonwillow Raceway track day. By the time this video comes out, we'll have also done one down in Sebring. Next, we'll have one at Virginia International Raceway and Crescent, Texas Motorsports Ranch. These events are taking place with Hooked on Driving and additional sponsorship from Mobil 1. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about our awesome weekend down at Buttonwillow Raceway in Bakersfield, California. Hooked on Driving is a well-known track host. They do high-performance driver education days for advanced and beginner drivers. They provide instruction and overall a really professional crew. In fact, here's David Ray, owner of Hooked on Driving.
Hi, I'm David Ray with Hooked on Driving, and we are stoked about our national relationship with the Cadillac V Club. We love that you guys are encouraging the drivers to drive the cars the way they were engineered. We love to do track days, safe and fun, and we hope to see you out there sometime soon at the track with Hooked on Driving.
The Buttonwillow weekend was awesome because we had V Series owners come from all over the place. All in all, we had 17 Vs there, and I was really surprised to see that we had more Black Wings than anything, it seemed. Of course, we had some CTS-v sports, some ATSs, and a couple of V3s. Now, track days start early in the morning, so most of us arrived the evening before, and some of us met for beer and food at Temblor Brewing. Of course, not too many beers because we had to be tip-top shape for the morning. We got there at 6:45. We all unloaded our cars near garage number 1, V Club Central, where we had waters, drinks, snacks, some shade, and of course a place to work on your car if needed. We couldn't get on track until we first had our drivers meeting for each of the run groups: beginner, intermediate, advanced, and these were all run by the professional crew at Hooked on Driving. The morning meetings laid out the rules and the expectations, and the beginner groups were assigned instructors. Most of our attendees had instructors in the passenger seat the entire time, giving them tips on how to be fast, how to be safe.
Definitely feel the level of confidence going up.
For beginners, the instructor is essential, but just going to a new track, even as an experienced driver, it's helpful to have an instructor. However, I chose to spend some time on the simulator, and I got quite a few laps at Buttonwillow on the sim, and so when I went out there with my CTS-V Sport, it just took a little bit of tuning to the car in the real life world out there, and before I knew it, I felt like I was at home at the track. The old V Sport here got to 122 on that back stretch. I think Phil with his 900 horsepower CTS-V broke over 140. It was quite a back stretch and a great way to really see your car go fast. But I gotta tell you, it doesn't matter if you're going that fast or not. When you're pulling the G's, it's a ton of fun. The CTS has automatic seatbelt tensioners, and it would cinch up from the G-forces, thinking something was going wrong, but in reality, something was going absolutely right. We were having tons of fun. Now, there was a special moment in there where I felt absolutely honored that one of the vice presidents of the V Club, John Charpentier, handed me his keys to his 23 Cadillac CT4 V Black Wing to try out for a full session. Now that is exciting. I've already driven the CT5 V Black Wing on the track at the V Academy of the Spring Mountain Motorsports Ranch near Las Vegas, and you could check out that video. We'll have a link here and in the description. But I have to say, the CT4 V Black Wing was probably a better experience. It is perfectly nimble, perfectly powered for the track. I couldn't believe how composed it was and how easy it was to drive. And if you're interested in seeing my session in the CT4 V Black Wing and watching me giggle like a schoolboy as usual, woo, so good. You can watch it on my channel if you're not already watching my channel, the Jet Fuel Only channel. We'll have a link down below and one up in the corner. That was an awesome experience, and I finished off the day back in my cts-v Sport, which was a little underwhelming after that awesome car. But overall, any car you drive on the track is a ton of fun. Now, if you missed out on these events, don't worry, we're gonna have more next year, but you also don't have to wait. Hooked on Driving has events all over the place all the time. You can sign up as a beginner or advanced driver. They'll have instructors for you, and they're a really professional crew. Just go to their website, hookedondriving.com, to see all the events they have. And if they don't have events in your area, maybe another track host does, you can check out motorsportsreg.com to find out about all the automotive events in your area, including autocross, my second favorite to going to the track. All right, folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please show us, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and maybe hit that bell so you'll be notified of future Cadillac content. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you join us at the Cadillac V Club. See you next time.